Hi everyone, this is MD Nahid Rahman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to create your targeted Apollo link using technology. Before starting the main tutorial, I am requesting you, if you new to my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe my channel. And after watching this video, if you need any help, please contact with me. You will find my all contact details in video description and my YouTube channel. So friend, let's start the main tutorial. So this is my client requirements. Okay, so today our main topics is technology filter. Okay, so my client technology is Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Klaviyo and HubSpot. Okay, so now I am Apollo filter right now. So my client job title, first things I am start the job title, owner, founder, CEO, CEO, BFE and managing director, general manager, and then location. I am select the location. My client location is United States, Canada, United States, State, Canada, and Australia. US and Australia. And now select the contact location. Person contact location is United States, Canada, and Australia. And then I'm select the company industry. My client industry, sorry, now I'm select the employee size. My client employee size is 1 to 500. So I'm not select this because I am using the custom range. My client maximum employee is 1 and minimum is 1 and maximum is 500. Okay, and now I am selecting the industry. Okay, my client industry is fashion, apparel and fashion and retail. Okay, and now email status. My client email status is verified and likely new to engage. So I'm select this. So now most important things is technology. Okay, so I'm click the technology and my client's technology is first Shopify and I am typing Shopify. Okay, and then WooCommerce and then WooCommerce and BigCommerce, Klaviyo, then Klaviyo, and then HubSpot. spot. Okay, so today our most important things is technology. Okay, so I'm filters all. So now our client requirements total leads is 60,000 leads. Okay, 16,000 leads. So now I'm filtering easily. And if you have free account, you cannot filter technology because it's a premium service. So if you need technologies filter or revenue or founding year, this is the premium account service. So if you need the service, you can contact with me. You will find my contact details in my video description and my YouTube channel. So you will contact with me, I will help you. So no more today. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.